The number 3 has represented in many cultures and traditions the conjunction of opposites and the mediator, as well as a symbol of stability. For a stool or a table to stand, they must have at least 3 legs. The braid, which requires at least 3 strands, represents unity in diversity and strength in collaboration. The first polygon, the triangle, has 3 connected lines and represents the unity of 3 elements. The third is necessary to stabilize the first 2. According to Huna, a Hawaiian spiritual tradition, humans have 3 minds, which can be called conscious, subconscious, and superconscious, each playing a role. The subconscious is considered a part of the mind that collects and stores life energy, called mana, which flows in every living being. The Huna subconscious is seen as a repository of energetic resources that can be used for healing, personal growth, and spiritual development. The conscious, on the other hand, is the normal state of consciousness in which we are usually aware of our surroundings and our actions and thoughts. The superconscious, or higher self, is considered a level of consciousness higher than the conscious, which connects the individual to the divine source of the universe. In Taoism, the 3 dantian represent 3 energy centers. The first dantian, known as the lower dantian, is considered the center of physical energy, vital strength, and sexuality. The second dantian, known as the middle dantian or heart dantian, is associated with emotions, love, and compassion. The third dantian, known as the upper dantian or head dantian, is the center of spiritual energy, higher consciousness, and connection with the divine. The dogma of the Trinity is related to the divine nature. It affirms that God is one, with a unique and absolutely simple substance, but common to 3 persons who are distinct yet share the same substance. God is composed of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Carl Gustav Jung, a famous Swiss psychologist, developed his theory of the psyche, which includes the presence of 3 distinct levels or layers of the mind: the conscious, the unconscious, and the superconscious. The conscious mind represents the part of the mind that is actively present in our daily experience, namely our awareness of ourselves and the world around us. The unconscious mind, on the other hand, represents the part of the mind that is outside of our immediate awareness, and includes psychic contents that are not currently active in our consciousness, such as repressed memories, dreams, and symbolic images. The superconscious mind represents the highest level of the mind, which refers to the transcendent dimension of our existence and our connection to the divine essence of the universe. According to Jung, the superconscious is the source of wisdom and intuition, and represents the highest aspect. It has been shown that the abdomen and heart have functions that go beyond those strictly related to digestion and blood circulation. Regarding the abdomen, research has shown that there are many connections between the gut and the brain. The gut has information processing and memory retention capabilities similar to those of the brain. Furthermore, many receptors for neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which are involved in regulating mood and behavior, are also found in the abdomen. Dr. Dispenza argues that the heart is not just an organ that pumps blood, but is also a source of electrical and magnetic energy that can influence the brain and body. Research has shown that the heart is capable of generating an electromagnetic field much more powerful than that generated by the brain, and that this field can influence our emotions, thoughts, and reactions to the external world. And if all this were not enough, the Italian chemist, researcher, and essayist Corrado Malonga, during the thousands of regressive hypnosis sessions he conducted on various individuals, noticed that there were 3 different entities or personalities that responded to his questions, which he subsequently called soul, mind, and spirit. This is because these minds or individuals, which are inside each of us, responded differently to the professor's questions, each one of them unaware of the others. One of these, which he called soul, always gave curious answers, and it was precisely from these answers that he gave the name soul. This is because when the professor asked her how old she was, the soul could not answer, but when he asked her how long she had existed, she answered forever, saying that she was the life. Thanks for watching.